Hello guys, IIT Madras has started an online BSc in Programming and Data Science. I was part of the first batch of students and our course started in the month of January. I am here to give my review on this degree based on the first term. At the end of this video, I'll try to give my opinion on whether one should take this course or not for different scenarios, like if you are a student or if you are a working professional or if you are just here to learn, whether you should be taking this course or not. So let's get. So in this video, I'll cover the following things about the course. First is course review. Under course review, I'll cover admission criteria, fees, course content quality, doubt clearance support, level of exams and opportunities. Then I'll speak about the positives about this course, the good things that this course has to offer in particular. Then I'll speak about the setbacks or things where IIT Madras can improve. Admission criteria. First, you as a candidate should have completed 12th with mathematics as one of the subjects. Then either you must have completed bachelor's at the time of applying for this course, or you must be part of a regular bachelor's degree at the time of applying to this course. By regular, it means a full-time bachelor's degree, not something which is online. Once you clear this criteria, you are eligible to write the qualifier exam. Now this qualifier exam decides whether you are eligible to be admitted to this course or not. For this qualifier exam, you will be given 4 weeks of content, and this exam will be based on this 4 weeks of content. Fees. So before speaking about the fees, let me briefly explain you the parts in this degree. So this degree is divided into 3 parts. First is foundational, then it's diploma level, and third is degree level. You need to clear the foundational level in order to step into the diploma level and then the degree level. The fee for the courses varies based on which level you are in, and the fee is payable based on the number of courses that you take. So let me first speak about the foundational level. Foundational level, for each course you need to pay 4,000 rupees. So overall there are 8 courses at the foundational level, and to complete the foundational level in first attempt, it will set you back 16,000 rupees. And then from the diploma level, the fee for each course is again different, which you can find out on the website. Now speaking about the course content quality. So the course is excellently delivered, no doubt in that. You are given the course is delivered in the form of video lectures. Post that, you can attempt the practice assignments based on these lectures, and you can also access the slides of these lectures. You can even access the video transcripts of these lectures. Post that, you are even given resources wherever applicable and appropriate. You can even attend the solve with instructor sessions where an instructor solves the queries, the problems, or you can even access these sessions in the form of videos, recorded videos later. Overall, the course is excellently delivered with knowledgeable people delivering the courses, professors from IITs and other reputed institutes. So you do not have to worry about the course content and the quality of the learning material or methodology or the resources that this course has to provide. Now speaking about the doubt clearance. How can you get your doubts resolved while you are into this course? There are 2 ways. First is either you can go to the course discussion forums, which is a closed group of students of this degree, and you can raise your query in the appropriate forum, or you can attend the Zoom meetings with the instructors and speak out your doubts and get your doubts clarified. So now speaking about the opportunities. Questions like whether you'll find a job that you're aspiring for, or whether you'll even find a job or not with this degree, with the help of this degree or with the help of IIT Madras. So let me tell you, it is too early to speak about the opportunities that this degree or IIT Madras may provide you. The first batch of this degree started only in this year in the month of January, and at the earliest the first batch would complete this degree by the end of the year 2023. So it's too early to speak about the opportunities, but based on the course content quality and the way of delivery and the level of the exams, this course looks very promising. Positives about this course. The things that make this course stand apart from other regular courses. First is course content quality. The course content is really amazing. It is delivered by knowledgeable people who are professors of IITs and other reputed institutes of India like Chennai Mathematical Institute. Second, support. Support is provided in different ways, like first is Zoom sessions with instructors, and then in terms of practice assignments, in terms of lecture assignments, and in terms of resources, in terms of slides, PPTs, and in terms of video lecture transcripts and also notes. But for doubts and queries, as of now it takes a while for them to reply to all the queries, but I am sure IIT Madras is working on this too. Now third is industry level talks and seminar sessions. So this is something which most probably only a reputed institute like IIT Madras or other IITs can provide, because of the vast network and their reputation and their huge alumni base, they are able to provide industry level talks each week. If not each week, at least twice or thrice in a month, where people from the industry, tech industry, come and speak about the opportunities, about the things that are happening in the field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, or things related to this. Now, setbacks or few things where IIT Madras can improve. There are two things here to speak about. First, the online quizzes being conducted at centers. So this is one of the concerns of the candidates. If you are a part of this course, or if you take part in this course, then probably each month you'll have to go to a center and write the exam. So for working professionals, or for people who are not connected to or far away from cities, it might be a bit difficult to come and attempt these quizzes each month. So this is one of the concerns. And second thing is, as of now, not much is known about opportunities. Of course, it is too early to speak about the opportunities that this degree or IIT Madras can provide, but still it is something to concern about. So overall review of this course and my opinion on whether you should be taking up this course or not. So first, let me speak about the overall review. The course is worth taking. The content and the depth in which things are taught in this course is something at a different level when compared to other regular courses. So in terms of learning, this course is worth taking. But now speaking about in terms of opportunities. So let me speak from different perspectives. So first, if you are a student who is right now doing his undergraduate course, like right now in bachelor's in engineering or any other bachelor's. So if you are a student in first year or second year or maybe even third year of your engineering, then this course is worth taking. The quality of content, the things that are taught in this course, and the depth and the level of exams, the difficulty level, definitely makes this course very promising. And you might find opportunities when you top this course, when you take this course with your regular engineering course, it might help. Now coming to people who are working professionals and who are trying to switch to a different career, like from technical domain in some part to trying to switch to data science or data analytics domain. So here are my 2 cents on this course, on whether you should be taking or not. So first thing, IIT Madras is not the only institute providing courses in data science. This is something to remember about. Second, what IIT Madras is providing is a bachelor's degree, but there are universities and institutes out there who are providing master's degree in data science in particular, and even in computer science. So think whether a bachelor's degree would be more appealing to an employer or whether having a master's degree. And anyway, both are being given online. So think before taking up this course. Also, generally when you try to switch your careers, either people look for your skills or they look for your degree. And of course, the reputation of degree matters too. So when they look for your skills, degrees anyway don't matter. When they are looking for your skills, even with a mediocre degree, you'll be able to crack the job or land up in a career that you are looking for. But if an employer looks for degree, then IIT Madras brand might help you, but at the same time, it is just a bachelor's degree, which is not adding much value in terms of degree value to your another bachelor's degree. And at the same time, there are other reputed institutes, if not at the level of IIT Madras, but at the top level, like BITS Pilani and other foreign universities, who do provide master's degree in specializations like data science. So if an employer is looking for just a degree, I don't think IIT Madras bachelor's degree adds that value as a master's degree from equally reputed institute adds. So this is my opinion on whether you should take up this course or not. If you are a student in first or second or even first semester of third year in your bachelor's, regular bachelor's, then you might think of taking up this course. This course might really help. But if you are a working professional, or if you are someone who is trying to look for opportunities or who is trying to find opportunities through this degree, then it is too early to get into it. It should not be that you spend huge amount of money and at the end you are not able to get the opportunities that you are looking for. That would demotivate you a lot.